Hello, this is a short video presentation on checking solutions to equations. Whenever we solve an equation, we can easily check the answer. This year we're going to be solving equations many times, many different types of equations. We can always check our answer. The steps are very simple. Number one, rewrite the original equation. But when you write it, instead of the variable, we have an x here and an x here, just leave it blank, leave a space. Substitute the answer for the variable. Evaluate both sides of the equation separately. And if the two answers are the same, two sides are equal, the answer is correct. It's a very simple process. So let's go through and do this. First of all, we are going to be checking or evaluating both sides of this equation. We're going to be looking at both sides. So I'm going to put a line down the middle. And I'm going to rewrite my equation. 4 plus 3 times negative 2, but instead of x, I'm leaving a blank. Minus 3. Close the parentheses, minus 1 equals negative 4 times, instead of x, I'm putting a blank there, I'm using parentheses, minus 3. Close the parentheses. When we solve this equation, last thing in your notes, it should say x is equal to negative 9. This was the last equation you solved in your notes. So I'm going to place negative 9 here and negative 9 here. Because I have multiplication here, I need to use, right here, I need to use these parentheses. Otherwise, it would look like subtraction. Now I evaluate. Just like we did last week. 4 plus 3 times negative 2 times negative 9, 18 minus 3 minus 1 equals, 18 minus 3 is 15, 4 plus 3, get rid of this here, 18 minus 3 is 15. I don't want that there. Minus 1 equals 3 times 15 is 45. Minus 1. 49 minus 1 equals 48. So the left-hand side is equal to 48. Right-hand side, negative 4 times negative 9 minus 3, negative 12, positive 48. I don't need to write it down anymore. 48 equals 48. Check. We're good to go. Just plug in your variable on one side, or anywhere there's a variable, plug in your answer on both sides. Anywhere there's a variable, evaluate, and if the two sides are equal, you got the right answer, and you know you did it right. All right. Hope this makes sense. Hopefully you got this watched in class on Monday. Have a great day, and we'll see you later.